Actresses and real-life friends Angelica Panganiban, Bella Padilla and Kim Chiu had netizens abuzz with their TikTok video. On Sunday, Panganiban, Padilla and Chiu uploaded a joint video showing them dancing the "Marikit sa Dilim." As of writing, Kim Chiu video on TikTok with her friends has been viewed for over 3.2 million times and got 5.8 million views on Instagram. Panganiban, Chiu and Padilla, who call their group ang Becky, a combination of the first letters of their names, became close in July 2017. Last January, Padilla celebrated her close bond with Chiu as she shared an appreciation post on social media dedicated to the "Linlang" and "What's Wrong with Secretary Kim" star. Padilla and Chiu were both present at Panganiban wedding abroad. Panganiban, who is now a mom to her daughter Amila Sabin or Baby Bean, expressed her gratitude to Chiu and Padilla and all those who made her wedding a dream come true.